Okay, so right here I have the Technica solid bass ATH-WS1100iS headphones, and I just opened the package for these, so we're gonna open them up and try them out. Okay, so here's this plain, just black box. The tag says Technica. So let's open them up. And there we go. Okay, so here's the box. Alright, you can see the headphones a little bit there. So let's see. Here's this instructions pamphlet thing, and here are the headphones. So they look very nice and clean. This nice metal ear cups. So let's take these out. Oh, they're very cold this winter. Okay. So this is very nice. Let me set these here. It's a very nice, soft kind of thing here. Let's see what's under. Is there anything under here? This might actually be connected. Yep, oh, there we go. So there's the little nice holder for the headphones. Never really seen anything like that, where it's like a weird, yeah, anyway. So here's the carrying case, and I don't believe these headphones can fold. I don't think they can, but let's just see this carrying case here. It's a nice black, whatever leather, you know, and so here they are, these Audio-Technica solid bass headphones. Look pretty nice. Now I'm gonna go over and try these listening to music and see how they feel, and then get back to you. Okay, so I just tried listening to these, and they're actually really good. They didn't have as much bass as I thought they would. I thought it'd be, you know, a bit more overpowering than it was, but it was actually really nice. They have a really great soundstage. You know, all the sounds are very particular and intricate and accurate. So I would definitely recommend these if you're looking for a bassy enough headphone where it's not going to annoy you, but you know, you're going to get a great sound overall. So I would say that these are good, you know, not only if you're just listening to bass music, like bassy music like rap or trap or anything like that, but even if you're just going to listen to, you know, pop or country or anything, they're great. Or just even watching videos or movies or anything. And another thing is they're very comfortable. They have an extremely big ear cup with these comfortable, squishy material, kind of like a fake leather kind of thing. And also, this headband, while it doesn't really appear to be very padded, it is very soft, very puffy, and yeah. And of course, they look amazing with that metal, shiny, you know, rim around the Audio-Technica logo. So yes, these are very good and comfortable. And with the sizing, it's kind of like the smooth, you know, you can kind of hear a little bit of a click, but when you have them on and you're changing the size, it's not, you don't really feel anything, just a tiny little click, so you know you moved up a size. So yes, they are very nice, and they're wired, you know, not Bluetooth, but I was looking for a wired headphone. So these really did well for me. And also they do have an inline remote thing, buttons, and a microphone. So yeah, these are very good for the $120 I paid. Comparing them to the other headphones I have, the Skull Candy, just original Skull Candies, Crushers, they're really nice, because the Skull Candies, the Crushers, I would get very annoyed with them because I found them to be pretty uncomfortable. If you wore them for like over 45 minutes, I felt like I just needed to take them off and just take a break. But these, I had them on for a good while, and they're just very soft, very nice feeling. Your ears don't touch the outsides of the ear cup at all. They're very nice, very big, spacious ear cup, and that's just exactly what I was looking for. So if you're looking for a really nice headphone, good build quality, very comfortable, with you know, a pleasant amount of bass and really nice sound, then these are probably the headphones you're looking for. So, you know, you can go ahead and pick them up on Amazon for $130. And yeah, so I really enjoyed them. So thanks for watching, and yeah.